Okay.
Okay. 5, 6, 7. Ako ay may lobo, lumipad sa langit. Hindi ko na nakita, pumutok na pala. Sayang ang pera ko, pambili ng probo. Sa pagkain sana'y nabusog pa ako. Okay, one more time. Isa, okay, wag na. Okay, we will teach you a song. Okay, can you pronounce? Ako ay
Ako ay
my logo.
Ako ay may logo.
I have my logo. I have a balloon.
I am a balloon.
I
Oh,
have a balloon.
oh, that's so pretty. I am a
Pad
balloon.
sa langit. Fly in the sky. Fly in the sky.
In the sky.
Pad sa langit. Can you do that?
What? What's
Lumipad sa langit.
lumipad sa langit?
Langit sky.
Langit.
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 Hindi ko na makita. I can't see.
Oh.
Hindi ko na makita. The translation is bad.
No, I think it's really good.
Hindi ko na makita.
No, it's not.
I can see the balloon.
Oh, okay.
This is why. First is I have a balloon. Then the balloon go in the sky. So the balloon in the sky we can see. Can you do? Di ko na makita. Oo, di ko na makita.
Tiku na mana kita.
Makita. Di ko na
Tiku na
makita.
makita. Tiku na makita.
Pumutok na pala. Pumutok na pala.
Can you write this down?
Okay, ay. Write mo lang, ma'am. Write ka na lang. Ikaw na mas maganda yun. Ikaw na. Pumutok na pala, meaning the balloon has already popped. Okay.
Aha.
Ako ay may lobo. Isot na sa translation na ba sa piyak iyong may lobo. Bakit pa may next? Hindi. Sige. Di ko na makita. Di ko na what they are pumutok na pala. Ano bago ni ano gabi what you do in the evening?
If in the evening, we have class until 7.
Then
Yes, IT class. You didn't come. and later we shoot it. And I don't know. Yes.
It's not correct that in Korean the good evening is 안녕하 주무세요. That's correct.
Once again, what? What is it?
안녕하 주무세요.
많이 잡수세요. 많이 잡수세요. I think. Yes, 많이. 많이 means a lot, and 잡수세요 means a polite way of saying it. What? Have this, eat this. So.
Sayang na. Really don't. Pagkain sana. Sa pagkain sana. We wanted to have a picnic with. Do you want to have a picnic or hang out with us?
Yes, sure. Yes. Of course.
Next Saturday.
Next Saturday.
Until what?
Do you all live close here? Do you all live close here? You don't live far from here? Do you live far from here?
Yes.
Oh, yes? For how long?
If me, I am travel 3 kilometers.
3 kilometers. Yeah, that's close. Isn't that close? I think that's close.
No, because he ride a L3, a jeepney or
Tricycle.
not tricycle. I can see the land. It's pump. Ano ba yun?